Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AWeber account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload or import your email subscriber list into AWeber? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload your list into AWeber anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's pretty normal to switch over service providers. And if you're moving into AWeber, you need to upload or bring over your email list. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AWeber dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my AWeber account, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, if you want to upload your email list into AWeber, here on the left side, you're going to click on subscribers. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the subscribers you have in your AWeber account. You can see this is a new account. However, to upload or import your list, here on the top right, click on this Add Subscribers button. It's in blue. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you're going to get two options. Add a subscribers if you're going to add just one person, but today we're going to go ahead and import a list, so click on Import Multiple. Okay, once you click there, AWeber has a couple of different ways that you can import your email list. One is you can go ahead and just copy and paste. So you can have more than one field. As you can see right here, you can put their email and then a comma and then their name and then comma and then whatever other information you want to put in there. Or if you have a spreadsheet, which is what we're going to do today, you can go ahead and upload an XLS, XLSX, TSV, CSV, or text file. So the maximum they allow is 65,000 rows. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my contacts right here by click on browse. Okay, so next you want to go ahead and choose, are you going to add new, or do you need to update your existing contacts? Maybe they changed their information, or is this only an update? So maybe some of your subscribers changed their information. And next you want to go ahead and map this out. So on my list, this is their name. So let me go ahead and click here on name. And then you'll want to do that for every column. And then when you're done, click on confirm opt-in. Okay, so this is really important. You do need to confirm that the folks on your list have confirmed to join your list. If you upload a list that is not opted into your list, it is possible that AWeber can kick you off their system. So just be aware of that. I'm going to click yes, and then I'm going to go ahead and confirm. Okay, so here, if you want to tag these users, you can go ahead and do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to click on background info. Okay, next, AWeber is asking how these folks join my list. So you can go ahead and just click on whichever one applies to you. For me, I'm going to go ahead and say they signed up on my website. I'll put my YouTube channel there. And then now they're asking if they are signed up on another email provider. I'm going to click no, because that does not apply to me. And then I'm going to click here, submit your import. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my import is processing. So since this is a test account, this is probably going to go under a review. I do let you know it can take up to 1 business day before your contacts are imported into AWeber, because spam is something that can affect all users. And if you ever want to check to see what the status is, you can click here, view import history. Okay, as you can see right here, that I submitted 5 records, only 2 were imported and 3 were not added. And if you need to see details why, you can click right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to import or upload your email subscriber list into your AWeber, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.